If you're over 60 and your legs feel tight, weak, or sore, your body could be begging for collagen, not vitamins, not pain pills. Collagen. It's the glue that holds your joints, tendons, and muscles together. And here's the part no one tells you. After 60, your body makes a lot less of it. That's why stairs feel steeper, your legs ache more after sitting, and why those old injuries seem to ache a little longer than they used to. But you're not stuck with that decline. In fact, you can eat your way back to stronger, more comfortable legs. Certain foods can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. No powders or pricey supplements needed. And we're not talking about exotic superfoods. These are real, everyday ingredients that can help you move better, recover faster, and maybe even sleep more comfortably. If that sounds like something you want, tap the like button and subscribe. This channel is here to help you feel better, one simple habit at a time. Let's start with something you might already love, but maybe didn't know could help your knees. Bone broth. Warm, rich, and deeply nourishing. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for hours, sometimes overnight. That slow cooking releases collagen, gelatin, and powerful amino acids like glycine and proline. These nutrients go straight to work rebuilding your cartilage, soothing your joints, and supporting the tendons that keep your legs moving smoothly. Gelatin, which is just broken down collagen, has been shown in studies to improve joint comfort and help preserve cartilage, especially in older adults. Think of it as a kind of edible joint cushion, and when you drink it regularly, your body gets more of what it needs to repair and maintain your connective tissues. Now, here's a small but important warning. Many store-bought bone broths are high in sodium, which can raise blood pressure. Look for low-sodium options, or even better, make your own at home. Just toss leftover chicken or beef bones into a pot with water, a splash of vinegar, and some veggies. Simmer for 12 to 24 hours. One warm cup a day is a powerful habit. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about this next one, because it's probably already in your fridge. Salmon, especially with the skin on, that crispy layer you might scrape off. It's one of the richest natural sources of collagen. But salmon isn't just about collagen. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that fight inflammation throughout your body, especially in your joints. Inflammation is like slow-burning fire inside your knees and hips. It wears down cartilage, stiffens movement, and makes recovery slower. Omega-3 salts are like water on that fire. They cool it down, protect your tissues, and improve flexibility. Harvard researchers have found that people who eat more omega-3 salts have less joint stiffness and pain, even if they have arthritis. So how can you make it work for you? Try adding wild-caught salmon to your meals twice a week. Bake it with lemon and herbs. Flake it into salads. Even blend it into a salmon patty. Just don't throw away the skin. That's where the collagen hides. And here's a myth that needs clearing up. A lot of people think they need expensive collagen, supplements to protect their joints, but food like this gives your body what it needs in a form it knows how to use. It's natural, it's balanced. Now, let's switch gears a bit. We've covered slow-simmered broth and flaky fish, but what if I told you your morning breakfast could also help rebuild your legs from the inside out? That's what we'll talk about next. Now, if you're someone who enjoys a good, classic breakfast, you're in luck, because the next food that supports collagen and eases leg pain is something many of us already know and love: eggs, especially the whites. They're not just a source of protein, they contain proline, one of the essential amino acids your body uses to build collagen. Think of proline like bricks in a wall. Without it, your body simply can't repair the tissues that support your knees, ankles, and muscles. And here's something you might not know. Collagen production depends on having enough of these building blocks on hand. No matter how healthy your diet seems, without enough proline, your body's repair process slows down. That means more stiffness, more soreness, and longer recovery times after even light activity. How to enjoy them? Scramble a few with spinach. Boil them for an easy snack. Or make a veggie-packed omelet. They're quick, familiar, and versatile. Now, here's a myth. Some people avoid eggs entirely because of cholesterol fears. But recent research shows that for most older adults, moderate egg consumption, even daily, is safe and heart-friendly. The yolk contains cholesterol, yes, but the whites. All the benefits, without the worry. If your doctor says it's okay, eggs can be a simple, healing food to include every day. Now let's brighten things up, quite literally, with something juicy, sweet, and incredibly important. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. They're bursting with vitamin C. But why does that matter for your legs? Because vitamin C is absolutely essential for making collagen. Your body can't form collagen fibers without it. No vitamin C, no new collagen. It's as simple as that. Vitamin C acts like the match that lights the fire. It triggers the process that converts amino acids into usable collagen. And even more, it protects your connective tissues from the daily wear and tear of aging, stress, and inflammation. Try squeezing lemon into your morning water, snacking on orange slices, or adding a few grapefruit wedges to your salad. But here's a quick caution. If you're on certain medications, especially blood pressure pills, always check with your pharmacist or doctor first. And don't fall for the idea that you need high-dose supplements. Food-based vitamin C is more balanced, more absorbable, and comes with other nutrients that support your health as a whole. Now, if you're craving something sweet in the afternoon, skip the cookies and grab this instead. It'll do your joints a lot more good. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. These tiny fruits are like little shields for your joints. They're packed with antioxidants and more vitamin C, which help combat inflammation and support collagen production. But they do even more than that. Berries protect your tissues from oxidative stress, which is the kind of slow, invisible damage that builds up over time and breaks down cartilage. That's the stuff that cushions your knees and hips. When that breaks down, pain follows. In fact, studies show that people who eat more berries have better joint function and less stiffness. And they taste great, too. Try a handful with breakfast, blend them into a smoothie, or sprinkle them over plain yogurt. Just a quick tip, if you buy them frozen, make sure they're A lot of frozen berry mixes come loaded with added sugar, and too much sugar can increase inflammation. Exactly what we want to avoid. Let's keep going, because the next food is rich in natural collagen, chicken, but not just any cut. What helps most is the skin, cartilage, and connective tissue you find in drumsticks, wings, thighs, and even slow-cooked whole chickens. These parts are naturally rich in collagen, and when you cook them properly, like in soups or stews, that collagen becomes easy for your body to absorb and use. In fact, many collagen supplements on the market today are derived from chicken cartilage, but you don't have to spend a fortune. A home-cooked meal can give you the same benefits. Here's the why. Eating collagen-rich chicken helps strengthen ligaments, support tendons, and maintain the soft, elastic tissues around your joints. That means smoother movement, less strain on your knees, and stronger legs overall. Now for the caution. Be mindful of how it's prepared. Fried chicken might be tasty, but it comes with saturated fats and excess sodium. Instead, try baking or simmering your chicken. Use the bones for soup to get even more collagen into your diet. And if you've heard that only supplements can rebuild joints, real food delivers the same collagen, plus other nutrients your body needs to heal naturally. So far, you've got healing in every bite, from eggs to citrus to chicken. But we're not finished yet. There are a couple more everyday foods that often go overlooked. Now let's talk about something simple, green, and incredibly powerful, even if it doesn't always get the spotlight. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These plants are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which you already know help protect and produce collagen. But there's something else inside these greens that matters. That's the pigment that gives them their deep green color. And new research suggests it may help your body preserve collagen and reduce breakdown. Think of leafy greens as gentle protectors. They shield your joints, help reduce inflammation, and support the tissues that keep your legs steady and strong. Over time, that can mean less soreness after a walk, more stability on stairs, and quicker bounce back from daily movement. Now, here's a quick tip. Steamed or blended into a smoothie, these greens are easy to fit in. Aim for at least a cup a day. But if you're on blood thinners like warfarin, talk to your doctor before loading up. Since these greens contain vitamin K, which can affect clotting, you don't have to avoid them completely. Just stay consistent and get medical guidance. And here's something many people get wrong. They think only fruits and meat matter for joint health. But plants, especially greens, are critical in keeping the whole collagen-building system running. Alright, from greens to something crunchy, satisfying, and often misunderstood. Nuts and seeds. Tiny, yes, but mighty. Especially pumpkin seeds, cashews, and chia seeds. These are rich in zinc and copper, trace minerals that are absolutely essential for building and stabilizing collagen. If collagen is like a house, these minerals are the nails and scaffolding. They help connect the collagen fibers and keep your joints and muscles strong and flexible. Zinc also supports tissue healing, while copper helps preserve the structure of the collagen you already have. But here's a common mistake. Many people overdo it. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense. A small handful is enough, about an ounce a day, and always go for unsalted varieties to protect your heart and blood pressure. Sprinkle seeds on oatmeal, stir them into yogurt, or keep a small snack bag handy. Some folks think nuts are just for protein or fat, but the real magic for your joints is in these minerals. Don't overlook them. Now, you've heard a lot. You've taken in the why and the how. So let's bring it all together with a quick recap to make this easy to remember. These are the 8 collagen-rich or collagen-boosting foods that can help reduce leg pain and strengthen your joints. Bone broth, rich in gelatin and amino acids to cushion and restore your joints. Salmon, especially with the skin, for collagen and inflammation, fighting omega-3 south. Egg whites, a great source of proline, a key collagen-building amino acid. Citrus fruits, full of vitamin C, the spark that ignites collagen production. Berries packed with antioxidants that protect your cartilage from damage. Chicken, especially the skin and cartilage-rich parts, that deliver natural collagen. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, supporting collagen with chlorophyll and vitamin C. Nuts and seeds rich in zinc and copper, minerals that stabilize and maintain collagen. Even adding just 1 or 2 of these into your weekly routine can start to shift the way your legs feel. Less stiffness, more stability, stronger, safer steps. And remember, it's never too late to support your body. Even if you've been dealing with leg pain for years, even if getting out of bed some mornings feels like a challenge, your body is always working to heal. You just have to give it the right fuel. So be kind to your knees. Give your muscles some backup, and help your tendons do their job with grace and strength. If you found this helpful, tap the like button. It helps this video reach more people just like you. Subscribe for more gentle, practical health tips made especially for your stage of life. And in the comments, tell me, which one of these foods are you most excited to try this week? Because when you feed your body right, even in small ways, you take powerful steps toward a stronger, steadier you, one bite at a time.